The surreal sounds of Saturn isn't the ringed planet's only song on the countdown. Turn it over and we find number 3 on the playlist, Saturn's flip side. Scientists call this hit a crossover. This crossover has nothing to do with mixing musical styles, but describes radio waves from Saturn's northern and southern hemispheres as they actually crisscross in frequency over a period of time.
We saw something really strange in our radio data, in our plasma wave data, a couple of crossing frequencies that apparently suggested that the northern and southern hemispheres were rotating at different rates. That's very unfamiliar to us on a solid Earth, where the Earth rotates at one rate. It actually turns out we don't think Saturn's rotating at different rates. We think that high-altitude zonal winds are tricking us and making us think that there's different rotation in the northern and southern hemisphere, but it's probably not the case.
Similar waves following the lines of Saturn's magnetic field revealed a surprise about the ringed planet.
One of the most bizarre things that Cassini found was apparently the Saturn day was about 6 minutes longer than it was back in the days of Voyager, mere decades earlier. The determination of the length of Saturn's day is actually not possible by watching the clouds rotate around the planet. We have to use these radio emissions, the sounds of space, to see what the deep interior is doing. And that's where we found this mystery.
It's virtually impossible to slow down a planet the size of Saturn that much in such a short time. So scientists now realize the radio emissions probably don't give an accurate picture. And by sophisticated mapping of Saturn's winds, they now have a better take on Saturn's day, which happens to be 10 hours, 34 minutes, and 13 seconds long.